Just 2 hours ago, the Claude Anthropic team launched iMessage for Claude natively. So you might have seen the channels that came out where you can talk to from Discord and Telegram, but you can now plug this directly into iMessage. Blue text. For those of you that have an iPhone, you can basically only blue text your friends. Any of my friends with green text, I do not talk to them anymore. So in this video, less than 5 minutes, let's go through how you can set up iMessage to talk to your Claude and let it do anything that it already has permissions to. And the only thing you need to do this is a Mac Mini. You have to have a Mac Mini. If you don't, then you're cooked. So if, like me, you have 2 Mac Minis over there running Openclaw, which are kind of obsolete now, you should install this on that one, because if it turns off at any given point in time, it will stop working. If you install this on your personal MacBook or your personal computer or whatever that you do turn off at some point, just know that when you turn this off, this will stop working as well. And you need to turn it back on and run it again. So let's go through how to actually do this. So what you're looking at right now is not my actual Mac Mini. This is me screen sharing my other Mac Mini that's behind me. And we're going to be installing this directly onto here, which is not going to be hard. Trust me. All we're going to do is copy and paste directions from Claude directly and just paste it into here. And to do that, I'll put that in the description. You can just copy and paste everything yourself. And I'll leave the GitHub from their post in the description as well. So what we're going to do first is go to our settings. We have to turn on and give it full access to one thing here. Go to privacy and then go to full disk access and then give terminal full disk. What? And then once you're here, you have to give terminal full disk access before you do anything. You can find that in the utilities of your applications. Press terminal here. Press open here. And now you have to reopen this, of course. But in full disk access, you have terminal, that's on. Step number 1 is done. So let's do this and let's install the newest version of this for it to work. Then let's open up Claude, trust, and let's do the copy and pasting again, which is the best part of this channel. We don't even think, we just do stuff. Let's do install for you. I think there's a difference there, but who knows? Then let's do this. That's been installed. Then it says retry. And then once you've done both of these, let's do reload plugins. That's been reloaded. And then we're going to do copy, paste, iMessage configure, gusting, whatever that means, right? Let me check the setup status, reloading, and this should just set up the entire thing for you, but, you know, problems do arise, so let's see if anything happens here. Ready to go. Text yourself from any device signed into your Apple ID. If you're doing iMessage from your phone number and not your email, you need to explicitly add your phone number here and your email and whoever else that you want to be able to message from this thing as well. So if your iMessage isn't sending from your phone number, make sure you add that. You need to make sure that you have BUN installed on whatever Mac you're running, so do that real quick. And once you do that, and you text whatever Apple ID that this is running on from the Allowlist number that you've added. So you're not texting your own phone number. You'll be texting whatever this Apple ID is here. So just keep that in mind. Once you do that for the first time, you have to press allow here. And you can see here from iMessage, I said, yo, and it went into this thing and it's like actually picking it up. So let's give it all the access and permissions that it needs. And then if you go here to my messages with Gail, because again, this is midyeartherobot@gmail.com, it's actually working. So it's giving us the exact prompt that Claude Code would give you from the terminals. Yo, can you hear me? So this is directly texting to the terminal that we have open on there. Okay, so iMessage is linked up then. Yep, we're linked up. What do you want to need? Okay, what can we do with this now? Like, do we have full control of the Mac you're on? And if you go back to this channel here, you can see it's getting each individual message and deciding what to respond. So this is the terminal tab you're not allowed to close. So any single thing that your Claude Cowork has access to, this thing now has access to. You can see here all the things that I've connected to, all the things that it's been doing, whatever you're vibe coding something, and the ability to edit and write files. Let's say, I don't know, what was the last thing that we were working on? And it should have full context, full history of every single thing that we've been working on. It shows us the last few things we were working on, what we've been doing, March 18, voice link, we were working on this and that and blah, blah, blah. And yeah, that's how you set up iMessage directly into your Claude Code or Claude Cowork, whatever it is that you're working on, and no need for Openclaw. So again, I have 2 Openclaws running, but this basically gives you the same thing that you would have been doing with Openclaw, but with whatever it is that you're working with on Claude Cowork. So if you want to work on something on the go or have it manage something to do with Claude, you can now do that with iMessage. And to set it up wasn't too difficult, just a bit finicky because it just came out. But yeah, hope this helps. Go use this, go do this, and have fun with it.